Hi guys, Angela from Growing Roots here. Today we're doing an unboxing video from a purchase that I made from Air Plant Design Studio. And if you make it all the way through the end of this video, I'll have an extra treat for you. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we are guys. I'm so excited for this. So let me tell you the background story. So last Wednesday, I contacted Air Plant Design Studio and asked them for recommendations on what I should purchase from them. And they made this really great recommendation that I bought. And then by Friday, I actually had the package delivered on my doorstep. So it's Monday now. Because these are Air Plants, I thought they'll probably make it through the weekend. I did want to get to them sooner, but let's pray that they still look okay. So they came very nicely packaged all the way up to the top. This looks like my purchase order. Oh, there's a cute little, look at this. This is so great. Okay, so they have two cards. One, thank you for your order. If you have problems or if you're happy, leave a review or contact information. So they left all of that here. Look how nice that is. And then they have another card that says, this is a special rare plant. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And so it says a Tectorum Ecuador Peru air plant. And it gives a little bit of information about that plant. So I specifically bought one plant and then I bought a kit. And we'll get to that in a second. But this is so nice that it actually gives me specific information about that. That is something that I've not had before and I really like that. That's really nice. It's Fuzzy Guy likes to be misted instead of soaked. That's really good to know. I didn't know that. Prefers bright filtered sunlight, adequate airflow, all good things. Okay, and then here are some general air plant care instructions. That's a really nice feature. And this is a little postcard, so it's glossy. This is high quality stuff. I like this. And so it has water, lighting recommendations, and then air, as well as their contact information for social media. Very cute. Okay, so now let's get into the fun stuff, okay? Oh my gosh, look. Okay, here I have like two little things here. So let's see. This has it has Air Plant Design Studio, and it says premium supplier of air plants. That's cute. Look at all of them. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Okay, look how cute. They're labeled, you guys. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, a Corey color. I think I'm saying that right. Probably makes sense. Corey color, because you can see some burgundy up there in the middle. I love that. I love how he kind of comes out and then like a harsh down. Ooh, it's like my claw hand. All my friends make fun of me because of like my dinosaur fingers. Anyways, he is gorgeous. I really like that these are labeled because I never know what they are. Okay, here's another one. Okay, Vernicosa. Look at this. This I've never seen before. Now I'm gonna have to ask about this. There's a little bit of wrinkling here at the base. That might mean that it is needing some water. I don't know, I might contact them and ask. I've never seen that before. Okay, Vernicosa, I like this. Also a little bit of color right in the middle there, right there, cute. He's big, look how big, that's like the size of my hand. There are so many in here, guys. Look in this little bag. There's so many. I like that they boxed them in this way because then they're all safe in here. Look, he's like a curlicue. This is a Funckiana. I think I'm saying that right. I have no idea. But look. Oh, I love that these are labeled. Guys, this is the way to go. This is the way to go. Look, there are so many more in here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, a Fuchsii v. gracilis. I'm butchering these. Sorry, guys. I can't even say like normal names, let alone special plant names. Oh, this is cute. I love he looks like a pine cone in the middle there. Very cute. This is the way to do it. Okay. Oh, look at this. I can't say any of these names. Pseudo-Balegi. Oh my gosh, I hope you all are laughing at this. Okay, but this one, I really like that. It's like the Bulbosa kind of ones that I have, except he's thin. And look at all the little roots down here. So cute. He might be one of my faves. There's so many more. Okay, we still have we haven't even gotten through half the bag, you guys. This is so great. Look at this. Okay, this is a stricta. I do know that. Kind of, I'd say more of a common one, but I like this guy's look. There's lots of little ones in there. He kind of just bees out. Oh, I love these little ones. A Bulbosa Guatemala. I didn't realize that that's what these were, Guatemalas. But he's tiny. So delicate. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plants already. This is incredible. Let's keep going. Okay. There's 2 here. Okay. An Aeranthos. Oh, he kind of, oh, you guys look there. Can you see that in the middle? There's a flower coming up. So cute. I like this guy. I like all of these. If you don't know that by now, I love air plants. I love all plants. And here's a Juncea. I love these guys too because they're just long. Like when you compare that to this guy, right? And then you start comparing them. I really like this one too, the Cory color. The first one, so amazing. Okay, I know I've said this a lot, but I really like that these guys are labeled, and I think I'm going to keep the labels on them for a long time until I do remember them all. Look, I have one of these. I love these. Brachycaulos Abdita. I should have my own show pretending to say plant names. Look at that color though. That's just incredible. Look at that. So this one's not a fuzzy one. You have that gorgeous burgundy and then the soft wavy guys. What is this one again? I always forget. Funckiana. I'm not saying that right. So beautiful. Guys, I'm just in love. Okay, so that was this first bag here. I'm guessing, oh, there's still so much more. Okay, so I'm guessing that was the starter kit. So that's what I purchased. Okay, I'm opening the box here. I have something that was kind of taped together around. Yes. Okay, so this is the other half of it. This is the air plant food in a spray. So I don't know anything about fertilizing or feeding air plants. And so that's why I decided to buy this kit. So all of those plants, here, you guys can see my messy floor right here. You all know we're building an addition. That's where we're filming. Here are all of my plants on beautiful display on the floor next to me. And I decided that I would get the starter kit with them, and then because the starter kit came along with one of these air plant foods. And so I'm going to do some research into this. It says mist once per month in addition to regular waterings. So it's a low nitrogen treat to help your Tillandsia thrive. I still say that wrong, and that's the name of all the air plants. Anyways, it's a cute little bottle, and I love their design. Well, they are the air plant design studio, so of course their design is adorable. So I'll let you guys know how this goes and if I see a noticeable difference after using this with these air plants. I've kept my other plants alive for over a year. They've flowered, they've made babies, and I've never fed them. So let's see if this makes a significant difference. I'll let you know. Okay, and then here, let's go back to the very last one. And I told you I had to buy, so I bought the starter kit, which was all of those plants, and then I bought an extra plant for myself because treat yourself. It was what, Treat Yourself Wednesday? I celebrate every day of the week. Anyways, this is the plant that came with the specialized care guide, the Tectorum Ecuador. So they put him separate so that I would know that it was a separate plant. And I've never bought a specialty plant before. My gosh, but I am glad I did. It is even more gorgeous in person than it was on the camera. And look, oh, Tectorum Ecuador. Look at that, you guys. Can you see all the tiny little, here, hide my face so that the camera picks up on it. Wow. It has little fingers, little feathers. I probably better be very careful holding this guy because I don't want to damage him. But he is so gorgeous. That color is so light compared to these other ones. I'm glad I got him. I really, really like, I can't stress enough how great it is to have a separate care card for this species. Considering it's rare, I don't want to kill it. So there we are, so great. Okay, now I said if you stuck through this video, at the end I would have a treat for you, and I do. So for all of you followers, you guys are amazing, and I have partnered with Airplant Design Studio to provide a 50% code for all of you. So if you go to their website, I'll link it below, use the code Growing Roots, and you'll get 15% off your entire order. This purchase would be so good for the holiday season coming up. Anyone, if you want to start your own, get one of these starter kits and buy one for a friend or family member, because all of those plants, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plants, you guys. 10 amazing plants with color, flowers, all that different design can really bring a different dimension to your house. And your indoor garden, right? Air plants are so amazing. So comment below if you have any questions. I'm really excited to have these plants, and I'll be making future videos about the ways that I decide to display them, because now I have 11 more plants that I need to display around the house, and probably some in the office too. So thanks again for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.